mate.
Jack.
You alright?
Nathan.
What's your name? Nathan.
Nathan, yeah.
Not bad here.
Hi, alright?
I'm fine, thank you.
So our reporter for today, Nathan.
Yeah?
Right,
Hello.
so not bad, Jack.
I'm fine, thank you.
So, is Aaron Ramsey here today?
And Ramsey, yeah. Everyone is here.
They said I was going to be doing an interview with him.
Yeah, not me.
Aaron,
People phoned me and said I'm going to interview him, not you.
is it?
No.
Well, Hector's good.
Yeah, I suppose so. He is good.
Yeah, but Aaron is not here, mate. Unlucky.
Wait, where's Mesut?
I don't know. Where is Mesut? Is he your favourite?
And people phoned me up, like they said, you're going to interview Ozil. Yay.
Jack's good. He's a good player.
How do you say goal in Welsh?
Oh, that's a tough question.
Yeah.
Go!
No, nod. Aaron would have known.
Yeah, well done.
Do you know when Arsenal was founded?
When it was founded. He's testing me here, isn't he?
Oh my gosh, it knows. 18...
18...
No, go on, tell me.
I don't know.
1886.
1886!
1886?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 8, 27, 64. What's the next number in the sequence?
Do you know?
Oh, yeah, wait, I think I have it. No, I don't have it.
125.
How do you know that?
Well, they're all cube numbers.
Cubed. Ah, okay.
Why do you always look so grumpy after a game? Even if you've won.
Me? I'm always happy after a game.
Don't look it.
If we lose, of course I'm going to be grumpy. Do you think I look grumpy when we win?
Yeah, on the telly he's like...
What's the capital of Namibia?
Not a clue.
Namibia? Capital of Namibia is...
Again, it's not something I've learnt in my younger years.
Windhoek.
Yeah, that was the one. Well done.
Windhoek?
Yes!
Thank you very much for your questions. They were very interesting, and I'll take some knowledge from them.
Thank you very much, Nathan. Well done.
Best interview I've ever done.
That was really good.
What are you doing? Subscribe. Click there.